النهاردة هنتكلم عن إمتى نستخدم a, an, the أو the قبل أي اسم بنتكلم عنه. تعالوا نشوف مع بعض.
Hello, my name is Zach. I'm a teacher at Reach Out Academy, and today I'm going to be telling you when to use the words a or an and the words the or the. When the noun begins with a vowel, a, e, I, o, or u, we use the word an. For example, an apple. When the word begins with a consonant sound, we say a. For example, a banana. Now, the same thing applies to the and the. When we have a word that begins with a vowel, a, e, I, o, or u, we will say the. For example, the apple. When the word begins with a consonant, we're going to use the word the. For example, the banana. So if you want to know more grammar tips, please follow our videos at Reach Out Academy. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
شكرا لمتابعتكم واستنونا الحلقات الجاية. Reach out مش تعليم وبس.